Hi, Victoria. Oh, you did a great job on the header of your resume, putting your name and title as the largest font, and your personal information directly underneath. It all is a very, very good presentation. Your objective was presented properly as well. I like to see the objective that you put in there, and it was very direct. You had good information throughout the resume. The only thing, a few action words would have been beneficial, I suggest. One thing on the education, you forgot to put in Ohio University, I believe. So maybe something you want to look at. If you notice on your resume, if you go back to look at it, you'll notice that it did not upload properly. Your resume is distorted, and you probably want to revisit that and upload it again. Good luck.